Can anybody guess what we're doing this Feral Monday? We're doing a Barbie look. Let's go. Now, I'm wondering if Barbie would be into rhinestones. Let's just do the look. We'll call it done and then maybe we'll add rhinestones. I feel like she would want a rhinestone. I don't know. Start with some clean canvas, but I'm going to be using this, okay? See how pretty that is? Gorgeous. That's a liquid shadow. We'll get to it in a second. I'm excited. So what I'm telling you that for is we're just going to not really worry about the lid. In fact, we're going to clean up that lid in a little while, so let's not even worry about putting any clean canvas there. And I'm using clean canvas because I want this to just be an extremely glam look. I want it to be very full coverage. I don't really want to see the veins in my eyes. Not that I don't like them, it's just not the look that we're going for. We want coverage. I want to look like a doll. So, this palette right here, if you want something not too cool, not too warm, it kind of has a nice even mix of everything. This palette, plus the new formula from MAC has been updated and it's incredible. We're gonna start with this shade and you'll notice it's just on that one side. I'm gonna start to build this up. I'm gonna do a soft cut crease. I just feel like that just reminds me of my version of Barbie. I'm basically putting my version of Barbie makeup that I would want on my Barbie. I picked up some more. I'm just gonna keep pressing and building this into the socket. And then I'm gonna grab some more. And from here, instead of going in, I'm just gonna press it over this way. I don't really need to fit it in anywhere since this part sticks out, so we'll just bring it out really far. Now we're gonna grab this shade from the palette on the tip of the brush. And I'm pretty sure we're just gonna use this color, but we're gonna start with a bigger brush and then we're gonna concentrate it with an E27. And that'll make this one color look like two different colors. I'll show you. I'm a visual person too, so all the yapping, I'm just like, yeah, show me. Okay, so there we have. So remember, we only have two colors on our eye right now. Remember to extend. Now we just switched brushes, same color, and we're gonna start to create definition. I don't want this to be crazy dark, but you're gonna see that we're gonna add some stuff on top later. Oh my gosh. You just need to put on your makeup seatbelts. I have a vision. We're just gonna press this in little sections. That way we can really keep control over that dark eyeshadow. And this small brush really helps you stay in control. I'm gonna link the brush. This brush is just incredible. Even though it's small, it is very mighty. And you would think with a small brush it would take a long time. We're almost done with this. There you go. Okay, now we're already to the micellar water part. Trying to keep this pretty simple. I know some of you are looking at a cut crease and going, absolutely not, Rose. But you did see that we didn't need 6 colors to do this. I feel like that's what used to intimidate me. I remember when I would go to MAC and I would request a cut crease, there would just be so many different colors involved. And I realized for a very soft one, we don't need that many colors. It's not always necessary. It can be, but not always. So it's less intimidating this way. Okay. Now remember, it actually looks like paint. Do you know how, of course, Barbie's faces are painted? That's what this reminds me of. This is from Moira Cosmetics. This is so much fun. I did apply it with the wand first. I'll do the other eye, I'll show you. But I definitely need my C30 for extra precision. Don't worry about your lash line. It's my first day doing a tutorial. I forget what a lash line is. But that's where we're gonna put liner, so it's okay to leave that space a little bare. But we are just gonna tap to smooth that out. So I did grab this. I feel like it wouldn't have been patchy, but I want it to just look almost like a cartoon. So adding this on top is just gonna make sure that it looks extra smooth and extra bright. It's gotta look kind of fake. All right, so let's do this eye, because y'all didn't get to see the other one. Remember, I'm filming a TikTok, so if you're wondering what I'm doing, that's it. These are fantastic, but there might be just a touch of patchiness, so that's what we'll do it. That's why I recommend just setting it with a similar color once it's almost dry. This has a lot of white in it, and by this I mean this color, and white kind of lends itself to patchiness. So don't think negative, especially for the price. Don't think of that as a negative thing. Just think of it. You have to just think of a little bit of a workaround with it. White just tends to be a very patchy color, but you see, it's not terrible. It's absolutely not terrible. Just a little workaround to make sure it looks extra Barbie. Yay! I don't know about y'all, but makeup like this, it just makes me so excited. I have butterflies doing this right now. It's just like painting to me. Gotta do a white waterline. This one is from Moira Cosmetics. Oh yeah. So 1960s Barbies, they had wing liner, and it spoke to me. So that's what we're gonna do today, using our Valentino. So we're doing floofier lashes today. These are from Roakel Beauty. They are called Moon Bows. Time for foundation. So I discovered that this works nicely. It can darken your foundation about 2 shades, and that's what I need right now. So I love my Revlon. It's just a little too light, and I didn't feel like buying a new one, and I have this spicy price situation here. I'm gonna do 2 pumps of it. And then let's shake this up. This is the Armani liquid bronzer. I'm using the deepest shade. I'm only gonna do 1, 2 little drops. I'll just mix it with my finger here. Yep, perfect. And then of course, remember, we're matching here, and that's perfect. Whee! That's me being happy and excited. Whee! Perfect. So nice. And I feel like we didn't lose any coverage. In fact, I feel like you'll get a little bit more coverage with these drops. Something is this spicy priced, like the bronzer drops, it better have multiple uses. That is a must. And of course, we're using our C42 foundation brush. Just melts it in, doesn't absorb it. That match is wonderful. The blend is perfect. It's a good makeup day. Now before we add any powder, let's do some of the bronzing drops. I'll use the same shade that we already used to mix in, but we're only gonna use a very tiny amount. This is so pigmented, that's gonna be enough. I don't wanna get too wild. That was 1 drop. Still on the 1 drop. Still working with the 1 drop. That's that 1 drop. I'm just showing you that it's just wildly pigmented, so it's enough. C40 to blend it out. See how pretty that is? There's some things that are spicy priced, like the Givenchy setting powder. They are wonderful. Again, we're always looking for dupes. Always searching. But right now I haven't found one. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I told y'all I used to use these years ago. And I loved them. Forgot how good they are. So I just know that Barbie would want a pink under eye. So what we're gonna do, I already have it on. I have on my Natasha Denona concealer in the shade R4, and we're blending that out. The brush is a prototype. And then what you're seeing here is this Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Lucky. Yep. Now we're gonna take that, and we're starting with a really small amount. And we're just blending and starting a pink under eye. But you just wait, because we're gonna do some draping. It's gonna be fun. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more of this. That's fun. Just a hair. Okay, just a hair. Just a whisper. Perfect. Then we'll start to blend the rest. So I like the idea of nothing underneath my lash line. I think that looks really fun. And let's just throw on this mascara. I haven't tried it. It's new. CoverGirl sent it. Don't ask. Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara. It's really soft. I like the way it looks. It's perfect. It's Barbie perfection. So I think we'll start here. It's so pretty. I'm actually thinking, I don't want to connect it and I don't want to get it on the blue. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take it on the tip of an E29. And we're just going to push a little bit here. I don't know what this is. We will report back to that. Oh, there, I don't know. I think it's mascara. There we go. I just didn't want to get it on the blue, so let's just take it and push it across here. Oh, I love. I was saying that's how lipsticks are pink and they are red, but I wanted to match this texture. So, and this definitely this color, I didn't want to have to go search. So it's a very quick way to do a monochromatic look, but it's also technically not always lip safe. Not bad. I don't want to even shame you. I want you to be creative, but I do want you to know things. You can even research it yourself. I just want you to be aware. I remember seeing the Barbies with the pink transition and I was just blown away by it. I don't remember what Barbie it was I had, but one of them definitely had eyeshadow like this and it's ingrained into my brain. Listen at that man, and they're having super important phone calls at the top of his lungs. Now this is going to be a learning moment, and what we're going to learn is what I'm doing technically is not lip safe, okay? I want to do it. The artist in me needs to do it. But that being said, it's a learning situation here. So what I'm doing is I'm using this blush on my lips, and I want to talk to you a little bit about pigments and how some of them are not eye safe and some are not lip safe. This is probably not considered lip safe. That being said, it's not going to hurt me as it's on there right now. It's more of an over time thing, which for me, there has been a lot of time. I am the person they are talking to. But there are certain pigments that are not eye safe. A lot of red pigments and pink pigments like this aren't eye safe. This one is, because this is an eye to cheek, but I know it's not going to be lip safe. But a lot of the lipsticks that we have, they do have the safe pigments, and that's how they are. So then I'm going to use MAC Whirl Lip Liner. Still keeping it pinky but defined. So I've been using these nonstop. The L'Oreal Balm and Gloss. This is Porcelan Petal. The lip looks like it's glowing. I love it. So let me go finish my TikTok, and then I'm gonna film another TikTok adding rhinestones, and then I'll do rhinestones here too. So let me go finish that. Also, I sit on my leg while I do my makeup. It's a little bit of my self-sabotage. Let me go walk that off for a second so I can come back and sit on it again. Hi, Barbie. I went to change my top. This top reminds me of a top that I would have put on my Barbie. It's from Alice and Olivia. It's so cute. It's what Barbie would want. So we're doing the Duo Line It Lash It Mascara. Mascara. It's my first day doing a tutorial. Lash glue, and then I have these rhinestones from, these are just from Amazon. You just type in nail rhinestones and you'll have a million of these. Let's put one here. And then the applicator is also a nail art tool from Amazon. It kind of came in a little pack together. Get on there. There we go. I didn't get the other one. There it is. And this is a lot easier to do into a mirror and not your phone. I'm filming a TikTok. I'm not neglecting my preciouses over here. So this is a really easy way to do it. Just kind of take the glue to about right there, and then we'll do that in sections. And then we pick up our rhinestone. Beep. And you can say beep after every one, because I do. I feel like it's important. Ready? Wait, we gotta move it a little more. We can always scooch it over with this pointier side. Hang on, we gotta do the beep. There we go, beep. And then I just continue to do that. Okay, we're done. I'm done. I am done. This was enough for me. This is my ultimate Barbie makeup though. I'm glad that we added the rhinestones. I need to go document this now too. The lip just glows. The cheeks. So much fun. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Feral Monday. I don't know what we're posting tonight, but we'll post something. So much fun. I love y'all so much. Again, don't know what we're posting, but I know I will see you there in the comments. Love you. Love, 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 love you.